How to use Quick Login on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Roblox. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on three dots. Now scroll down and click on Quick Sign In. Now paste the code from other device. Go back to your home screen. Open up your web browser on another device. Go to Roblox. Now on the login page, select use another device. Now copy the code. Go back to the Roblox device. Go back to the Roblox on the previous device and paste the code here. Now click on enter. Now click on confirm and tap on done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.